and sisters, I'm here to let you know how you can create confidence in yourself. What do I mean? What is the meaning of confidence? Confidence is the ability to do something, the ability to have the focus that you can do something. Meaning that the word confident does not come from or it does not attract fear. In other words, does it attract anything we call backslash or quit? But the word confident comes from the word competence, meaning that competence means the ability to do something good, the ability, capacity to do something good. What does that mean? For example, whatsoever you are doing, when people think, let me say, you are not capable of doing it, you prove them wrong by having the confidence within yourself that you can do it. Even when they said you cannot do it, but you prove them wrong by telling them, not that you tell them, you show them what the result, the outcome. And according to the last video that I made, the result will do what? Will make the noise. That is called what? Confidence. And how can you create this confidence? By you setting your mind above your expectation. Sometimes we said, how can we set our mind above our expectation? By you focusing. Focusing, looking on what you ought to do. Not looking or listening to what people say, but looking what you are capable to do with the confidence inside you that you can do it. Anything at all, you are a student, anything at all, you prove the wrong that you have the confidence that you can do it, and you allow the result to make the noise. That is one. Two of it, that create the power to do what? To endure in time of rejection and frustration. Sometimes in life, there's time that life try to tell us that it's like everything about us is gone. But we prove the life wrong, and we prove people around us wrong, that with endurance and with the confidence that we can endure frustration and rejection. What is rejection? It's appropriately a way or an act whereby people promise to help you, or somebody promised to assist you, and at the end, because of one thing and another, the person disappoints you. Within him, he think he or she, without him or she, you cannot do it. You prove the wrong by using the word confidence. What is frustration? Frustration is just the process we pass through every day. Sometimes you are a business, the business you are doing frustrates you. You are a student, you have no money to pay, it's like you are frustrated. You do what? You have the confidence that tomorrow something will come out from the frustration that will lead to your testimony. And the trait of it is that you learn how to manufacture and produce silent and smile. Sometimes we think that silent and smile is sometimes a waste of time. But silent is the way to do to avoid many problems. It's the way to ignore the idiot, meaning to ignore the word that does not value. Why smile is the way or the process of us to solve many problems. How can you produce this silence? By doing what? By having the confidence, and by you acting with action that you can do it without the help of nobody. Sometimes in life there are some people who think without them you cannot succeed and you cannot make it. And with this smile and silence, I know that you can do it. And And within myself, I know you that I'm talking to, you can do it. Why? Because you are greater than what they think you are before. But try to have these three confidence. Try to have these three keys. You know that you will do it. And the last and not the least, don't hesitate to subscribe and also share to your friends out there, because confidence is what we all need in life for us to succeed. You understand? This is all I have for you. Thumbs up, the bell, comment and drop your comment to tell me how the video touched your life. This is all I have for you.